Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I'll show you my favorite Canva stickers for beginners. Super easy but insanely useful. Let's jump right in. The first secret is the magic align. So you need to stop dragging elements around forever like this, and you can just select everything like this, and you can just right click on it, or here click on position at the top, and you can just choose whether you want to tidy up vertically, horizontally, or you can also adjust the align elements like this to auto align your layout like a pro. Let's see the option as you guys can see in here. And the next one is shortcuts. So if you want to duplicate, you can just click on the elements that you want to duplicate over the page and click on or press on Ctrl plus D on your keyboard, and the elements will be automatically duplicated. And the second shortcut is you can just press on T to add tags to your design, and you can also add or press on R to automatically add a rectangle to your design like this. And the last one is shift and drag. So you can just press on shift button on your keyboard, and here it will move the elements that you choose in straight line. And the next one is the background remover. So if you want to remove a background of elements or photo like this, so you can just hit on it, click on it, and tap on the background remover at the top. So this will be perfect for thumbnails, poster, and profile pictures. And the next one is the text spacing trick. So good text means good design. You can just click on spacing here, this one, and you can adjust the letter and line spacing. This will make your title instantly cleaner and easier to read, like that. And the next one is gradient and shadow. This is for the viral text. If you want that eye-catching viral look, you can use gradient and add shadows and adjust the blur to 3 to 6 and transparency into 80%. And there's also a brand kit. So if you post often, you can use a brand kit to lock your colors, phone, logo, to make your design look consistent. So in here, for example, on the tags, you can see your brand kits in here if you add one like I do in here. And the next one is page animation. So for Reels or TikTok, you can apply page animation. You can just click on the page in here, and then here you can go to animate, and here is the page animation. You can just choose the animations that you want, and that's it. Which Canva secret was your favorite? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.